Number 3 is Snapmaker J1s IDEX 3D printer. Introducing the superstar of 3D printing for mass manufacturing, the Snapmaker J1s IDEX 3D printer. Get ready to unleash a wave of creativity and productivity like never before. This isn't just a printer, it's a precision powerhouse here to redefine your manufacturing game. Crafted with cutting-edge vibration compensation technology, this marvel ensures your prints remain steady despite high-frequency vibrations, guaranteeing flawless outcomes. Say goodbye to uneven corners and pesky defects. The cornering optimization feature ensures your creations boast sharp, precise edges that demand attention. Equipped with an independent dual extruder system, this wizard enables dual material printing like a breeze, sans any wastage or contamination. Batch printing becomes a breeze with copy mode and mirror mode, slashing wait times for symmetrical models. The Snapmaker J1s doesn't just stop at convenience, it's engineered for the experts. Sporting a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle temp, anti-clogging tech, silicone hot end socks, and a filament sensor, this machine can handle a variety of materials with impeccable precision. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.